What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here with another food review. You notice I'm holding myself a Dairy Queen Blizzard, and it is September, and what that means is pumpkin pie Dairy Queen Blizzard. So I decided that, well, I should say the mystery guest mentioned to me that the pumpkin pie blizzard was available. I'm going to just eat while I talk. I just decided I needed to go get one because I wanted to review it for you guys, and I have never actually had a Dairy Queen pumpkin pie blizzard for a couple of reasons. One, I don't really like pumpkin pie all that much, so it never occurred to me to order one. However, that being said, after having a few bites of this blizzard right now, I can safely tell you that the mystery guest has helped me out with the melties. That these are pretty damn good. I am slightly, pleasantly surprised. So, what you got here is Dairy Queen vanilla ice cream. You've got pumpkin pie filling pieces and pumpkin pie crust pieces, and then whipped cream and a little cinnamon, nutmeg, yeah. The nutmeg. And overall, you need to go to Dairy Queen and get yourself one of these pumpkin pie blizzards. They are really, really tasty. So that's pretty much it, guys.
Welcome to fall.
That's right, mystery guest. Welcome to fall. You know, it is 63 degrees here in Chicago right now. And under most circumstances, as a Chicagoan, I would say 63 degrees. It's bathing suit weather. However, after going through the entire summer, 63 degrees feels just a little bit chilly. So it feels like fall, and with the Dairy Queen Blizzard, it tastes like fall. So go out and get yourself a Dairy Queen Pumpkin Pie Blizzard today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap the notifier bell, and touch that like button right in the mouth. If you don't like it, well, hit subscribe anyways, because I'm doing more videos every single day. This is Big Daddy from BigDaddysWorld.com with the mystery guest and the nutty kids in the back. And we are out. Bye-bye.